To draw a owl, we'll begin with drawing two parallel lines. Then we'll connect these two lines with a curve and above two lines with a curve. So we'll do the same using a pen. Join these 2 points. Immediately join these 2 points, and on the top join these 2 points. Once done with this, we'll add eye, circular eye. We'll shade the eye. Next, we'll add the beak with a triangle. On the top, a small line. Then we'll draw a curve on either side. So with this done, we'll now draw the design. And similarly on the downside. Once done with this, we'll add ear, and we'll add leg. So with this done, we'll shade it, and after this we're gonna erase the initial leftover lines. Next step, we'll add details by drawing V shape. So as you can see, this is simple English alphabet V, which we are drawing on the body of the owl.